Hello everyone, welcome back to Tina Teach IELTS Band 3.5 to 4.5, Unit 1 Home, Present Symbol of be Part 3. So our lesson for today is create questions from what we've learned about the verb be, as well as how to answer if someone asks us those questions. Before that, let's do a quick review from lesson 3. As usual, I'll link the lesson 3 in the video. RE, there. Are, they are. She's, is, she is. I'm, am, I am. Singular. Remember, singular talks about one person, one place, one thing, or one idea. She's, is. I'm, am. Plural. Talking about more than one person. So it's 2-person, 3-person, 4-person, and so on. RE, there, are. Last one, negative forms by adding not to the verbs. Are not, they are not. Aren't, they aren't. Is not, she is not. Isn't, she isn't. Am not, I am not. Am not, I'm not. Our exercise for today is to match the questions with the given answers. For example, are they in the house? Is she free today? No, she isn't. Yes, they are. So we look at the be verb, are. This one is, and this one is, are. So, are. The first question, is matched with the second answer. Here we have is. And the second answer is matched with the first sentence. Alright? So make sure to pay attention to the be words. Here are our questions. Is she Polish? Are you a new college student? Is he from Germany? Is your name Ruchilla? Are they on tour? Right? So please pay attention to the be forms. Is, are, is, are, right? As well as the subject. Your, they, he, you, and she, right? Let's move on to our answers. Yes, I am. No, she isn't. Yes, they are. Yes, he is. No, it isn't. Pay attention to the subject. I, she, they, he, it, and then the be words. Am, isn't, are, is, isn't. So feel free to pause, figure out the answers on your own, and then we can move on to checking your answers. Alright everyone, let's move on to see whoever is correct and whoever isn't. First we have, is she Polish, right? Our word here is and she, so let's look for it. We have she right here and the negative form of is. No, she isn't, right? If we look at the other answers, we have I, they, he, it, which is not she, right? So the first one is our answer, right there. And then do a quick erase of these. Are you a new college student? Right? So when someone says, are you reply as I, right? I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I'm not, right? You don't say you because you referring to the person that you're talking to. You refer to yourself as I am, okay? So we are not looking for are. We're also not looking for you. We're looking for I in response to this. Are you a new college student? Yes, I am, right? This is our answer. Okay, I'll move it here. Third question, is he from Germany? We're looking for an is and we're looking for a he. We can be looking for is or we can be looking for is not or isn't. So let's see. This one is they. Incorrect. This one is he. Yes, he is. Last two. Is your name Ruchila? In this case, the question is asking for your name, right? We don't say, yes, I am. We don't say that, right? If they're asking for something specific, like for example, is this your flower? Is this your clothes? Is this your mom? Right? We would say, yes, it is, or yes, she is, right? So in this case, the name is referred to as it. Is your name Ruchila? No, it isn't. That's our answer. Last question. Are they on tour? Right? This is asking about them. So we are looking exactly for are and they. Yes, they are. That's our answer right there. Okay, everyone, let's go through it one more time. Is she Polish? No, she isn't. Are you a new college student? Yes, I am. Is he from Germany? Yes, he is. Is your name Ruchila? No, it isn't. Are they on tour? Yes, they are. All right, let's do a review before we end the lesson. Is she Polish? Is she Polish? Are you a new college student? Are you a new college student? Is he from Germany? Is he from Germany? Are they on tour? Are they on tour? Is your name Ruchila? Is your name Ruchila? Alright? Thank you everyone for being with me here today. See you next time. And remember, learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.